Now is available at McCarthy Cars Range Rover Evoque 2014 metallic black. Car has front daylight, a front headlight washer, a front parking sensor, 20-inch alloy wheels, got privacy rear glass. Car has reversing camera, it's got rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4 electric windows, got electric mirror, folding mirror, Meridian premium sound system, fully electric seats, panoramic glass roof. Car has satellite navigation, got reversing camera. DAB radio, touch screen, push button to start, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, paddle shift, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control speed limiter. Thank you for watching.